What is bibimbap? This is according to my Korean kitchen. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are, whatever you do. Today we'll be making bibimbap. Ta-ta! But first, bibimbap. What is bibimbap? This is according to my Korean kitchen. Bibimbap is, if you can read, that's great. Let's read. Bibimbap is simply translated to mix rice with meat and assorted vegetables. You can make endless variations to the dish depending on your preference and dietary requirements. Easy as that, people! Alright, so today we will be making 3 bowls of bibimbap out from these ingredients. Yes, and by the way, our meat is chunky corned beef. This is not paid. And why chunky? Because it's the available corned beef now here in Japan, and the rest are so expensive. And this is 350 grams. So let's make 3 bowls of bibimbap out from these ingredients. All right, let's go. Alright, so for our bibimbap ingredients, we have our rice. So we're challenging 3 bowls. So we have 1, 2, and 3. We preheated them already in our microwave. It's good that we have hot rice. And then for our, those are blurry. Anyways, let's have first our egg. So this is a scrambled egg. And yeah, scrambled egg. And then on the same pan, we stir fry our bean sprout, our toge. And we just season it with salt and pepper. And on the same pan again, we cooked our corned beef with garlic, and then later part is the white onion. Now we have our really fresh ingredient here. This is carrot. I hope you can identify. It's shredded carrot. Now it depends what's the size, because I want it this way. You can adjust to your taste bud or something. Yes. Anyways, yes. And this is spinach. We just blanch it. And for our spinach, in Philippines, you can use kangkong or other leafy vegetables. Your favorite leafy vegetables. Any leafy vegetables will do, actually. And then for our flavoring, we have Maggi, Savor, Calamansi, liquid seasoning if you want a better, tastier. And then we have our pepper later. And then of course, I tried to create what you call this one, poached egg, but I don't know how to, so it's okay. It's not MasterChef. And the great thing in cooking is you can eat your mistake. And yeah, let's start creating mistakes. Kind of blurry. Let's go. Alright, so ladies and gentlemen, we created 3 bibimbaps. 1, 2, 3. Yay, and we still have remaining ingredients, so we can make 1 bowl, I think, and a half. So, yeah. Another way to spend your boring corned beef canned goods experience. But by the way, I'm hungry, so you were gonna see me eat, okay? Because I haven't eaten anything. And enjoy the music after this. Let's go!